Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A German Muslim scholar, when he was asked about terrorism and Islam, he replied, "Who started the First World War? Of course, not Muslims. Who started the Second World War? Not Muslims. Who killed 6 million Jews in the Holocaust is Hitler, not Muslims. Who killed about 20 millions of Aborigines in Australia, not Muslims. Who sent the nuclear bombs of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan is America, not Muslims. Who killed more than 100 millions of Indians in North America, not Muslims. Who killed more than 50 million of Indians in South America? Of course, not Muslims. Who took about 180 millions of African people as slaves and 88% of them died and were thrown overboard into Atlantic Ocean? Of course, not Muslims. First of all, you will have to define terrorism properly. If a non-Muslim does something bad, it is a crime. But if a Muslim commits less than that, he is a terrorist. So first remove these double standards, then come to the point. I am proud to be a Muslim.